AEROPAK Engine Foaming Degreaser makes equipment run smoother, last longer, and look like new. Available in the most popular market specifications. With a 360-degree valve, spray from any angle with ease. Protect water-sensitive areas before cleaning. Shake well before spraying. Unique nozzle design, ideal for large area spraying. It features a rich foam with extremely strong cleaning power. After spraying, depending on the amount of dirt, let it sit for 10 to 20 minutes to dissolve heavy oil and grime. Use a detail brush for more thorough cleaning. After brushing, simply rinse with clean water. Dry with a towel. Results showcase. Choose from water-based or solvent-based formulas. Leave engine cleaning to us.